If you're looking for something to get in to start trading the markets and you're like, I need just a simple strategy, here's what I want you to do. It doesn't matter what time frame you wanted to trade on. If you find yourself being able to do it once a day, or maybe you can set aside time for between 3 o'clock in the afternoon to 4 o'clock, so you're trading for an hour, so you can work on the 5-minute time frame. Whatever time framing you're looking to trade, what you're going to do is you're going to go find support resistance. And I know you might be going, well, what is support resistance? It's just where you think price could possibly bounce. And I understand you could draw everything however which way, and this is why it can get very, very subjective on what is a support, what is a resistance, and how do you actually manage that. What you're going to do is you're going to draw what you believe to be support resistance. So for some reason, if this is your resistance and your support and resistance zone right there, you're going to project that in the future, and when price breaks it and comes back to it, all you're going to do is you're going to set up a trade when you get a candle that goes in your direction. So like we come back over here, we did not have a candle that went bearish. You're going to get a candle that went in your direction. Here's how your stop loss is going to work. Your stop loss, whatever size you drew your zone, so like this zone is roughly 7 pips. That is your stop loss. You take the entry on the candle and you just go for a 1-to-1. That's it. That's as simple as you can make it. That way, if you decide you have really thick zones, well, then you have really thick zones. That means your stop loss is going to be really thick. The only way that you're going to have a really thick zone, though, is if you have enough price data that make you believe that that zone is that thick. So this is where you're going to start fine-tuning your eyesight to what you see on the chart. And then you're just going to track this day in and day out for about 30 to 60 days. Yeah, I want about 30 to 60 trades. From there, you're going to start honing. Hopefully that gives you about a break even. You should probably win as much as you lose. Maybe you might find it actually be a little bit more profitable or less profitable. But that doesn't matter because we'll start honing it later on. So I'm going to continue moving through, and I'm going to try to track 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, doing just this, and I'm going to mark out these little episodes all throughout my shorts so that you can see exactly how you do this day in and day out to drive consistency to find it, and then how you can fine tune. So if you'd like to join, by all means, subscribe and follow. If not, just come back from time to time, look for your time frame that you're looking to trade around, and then come back to it, whether that's the hour, the 4 hour, or the daily. It doesn't really matter if you want to drop down to lower time frames, you can do this thing as well. I don't want to overcommit myself, so an hour, a 4 hour, and a daily is probably something I can commit to doing. Anything less than that, and I might find, just life getting in the way. So follow me, and I'll talk to you guys later.